In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive crypto on Binance. Now, if your friend, your family, or you want to get a payment, right, on your Binance, like you want to receive crypto, you should at first ask the person the crypto the person want to send to you, right? So there's a whole lot of cryptocurrencies. There's USDT, Solana, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, like there's a whole lot of them, right? So ask the person the crypto the person wants to send to you. Let's say if the person wants to send to you, let's say USDT, right? You ask the person what network does he wants to send it to you, right? The person can tell you USDT BIP20, USDT ERC20. There's a whole lot of network, right? So the first thing is for you to ask the person the crypto the person wants to send to you, right? The second thing is to know the network, right? So let's say if you want to send the USDT, if he tells you that the network is BIP20, click on this deposit. You can see there's a whole lot of network here, right? So click on the BIP20, address is going to come out. So this still applies for, I think, for the rest of other crypto, right? So the basic thing for you to do is to ask the person the network the person wants to send to you, right? Then the crypto. So if the person wants to send to you Bitcoin, you can come on here, type in BTC, click on this add, click on this, right? Click on Bitcoin, you're going to get the address. If the person wants to send you Ethereum, I think this still applies to this, right? Head over to this, type in it, so you're gonna see. So the main thing is to ask the person the crypto the person wants to send to you. Then the next thing is to know the network he's sending from. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you in the next.